Big Shot Texas lawyer who recently filed a child rape lawsuit against Jay-Z is accused of deliberately giving a woman a sexually transmitted disease and hitting her so hard he smashed her teeth. According to a new lawsuit, Longhorn attorney Anthony Buzbee lured the woman, who is unnamed in the suit, into having a sexual encounter with him by concealing the fact he had a venereal disease in 2018, the lawsuit claims. Defendant knew of the risk that he would pass the disease to plaintiff if he did not take the appropriate precautions, and when that risk materialized, court documents read, he manipulated her to protect himself from reputational harm using his status as a licensed attorney. The suit was filed anonymously on Thursday in Manhattan Supreme Court and claims that he offered her free legal services in order to secure her silence and compliance and became possessive to prevent her from exposing him for what he did to her. Out of shame, the woman continued to sleep with Buzbee since he was the only sexual partner she would not have to inform of her venereal disease test results. The suit reads, according to the lawsuit, Buzbee once reacted violently after seeing her talk to another man at a bar in New York City, smashing a glass against her face and leaving her with 2 broken teeth. In 2021, Buzbee allegedly represented Jane Doe in her divorce case. As a result of his manipulations, the suit notes, and promised a vigorous marital fight. Instead, the suit alleges that Buzbee used the opportunity to doctor plaintiff's medical records to make it look as if he could not have been the one who infected her with a venereal disease by altering the date of the STD results from 2018 to 2020, making it seem as if her husband was the infected party responsible, not him. He then used those medical records in a failed attempt to blackmail the husband to circumvent ordinary negotiations via a demand letter stating his fraudulent claim. But the husband didn't take the bait, the suit said. Buzbee ended up settling for a fraction of what Jane Doe should have received, in order to resolve the matter as quickly as possible and bury his egregious misconduct by avoiding discovery. The lawsuit claims that a phone call and email sent to Buzbee's Houston office was not returned Friday. The lawyer has had a number of lawsuits filed against him in recent weeks, and Buzbee says that Jay-Z's Roc Nation is behind it all. Roc Nation has been illegally soliciting individuals for several weeks to sue my law firm, Buzbee told the Houston Chronicle earlier this week regarding a pair of suits alleging he harmed former clients of his. These 2 individuals who took the bait were promised money to bring the case. He fired back at Roc Nation this week as well, filing a suit in Texas accusing the entertainment company of soliciting his former clients to file legal complaints against him. Defendants have conspired to obstruct justice by engaging shadowy operatives to illegally seek out more than 24 current and former clients of the Buzbee law firm to convince those clients to bring frivolous cases against the Buzbee law firm, reads the suit filed on Wednesday by Buzbee, according to CNN. Buzbee filed a lawsuit in October claiming that Jay-Z, along with Sean Combs, sexually assaulted a 13-year-old girl at a party in 2000.